In this video, we will tell you a few steps by which you could get rich quickly. We studied many financial books and took the experience of several financial advisors to write down these steps. I have also personally used these steps, and now I am doing good financially. Watch this video till the end, or you may miss a major part. Now let's start. 1. Have a thirst for knowledge and educate yourself on personal finance. Among the many characteristics shared by true millionaires and full-fledged billionaires are a hunger for knowledge and a willingness to put their dreams into action. The self-made millionaires are very driven, have a strategy, and are borderline narcissistic. Most are very ambitious and goal-oriented, always looking for ways to better themselves financially, whether that's by going back to school or taking a measured chance on a new business endeavor. I was an attorney for a long time after finishing law school, but I decided to leave the field. I consciously chose to become self-employed and start my own internet company since the job was so dissatisfying. An increased degree of danger was inherent in the choice, but the move paid off handsomely in the end. I continued my studies in the field of business, and that helped me improve myself. You must pursue education and use that knowledge to establish something for your development. 2. Go for high-paying jobs and majors in college. In order to become a billionaire, the most important thing you need to do, after pursuing education, is establish a reliable source of income. Without a steady stream of new money that you can count on for an extended length of time, you will be severely limited in your ability to make investments. Even if you have completed college years long back, you may try now for a high-paying job, or you may take the help of secondary income streams and passive jobs. Blogging and websites like CNN's Millionaire and the Making series have shown that families and individuals don't need to earn 6 figures a year to hit the $1 million net worth level, although it definitely doesn't hurt. Making a larger yearly income and more money overall increases the likelihood that you will become a billionaire sooner rather than later. Press the subscribe button and also the like button to know more amazing financial tips and tricks to get rich. 3. Cut down on unnecessary spending by paying less for little things you do every day. Making money is just half the battle. Being able to save money by reducing spending is just as crucial to amassing wealth. If you invest poorly and don't save enough, even somebody with a lot of money might lose it all in a flash. There are many famous people who were formerly rich but are now struggling financially. You need to learn to spend less than you make if you want to amass $1 million. You can put more money to work for you by cutting down on spending, which leaves more to save, which leaves more to invest. It was common knowledge among would-be billionaires that a little sacrifice made now will provide enormous returns later on, thanks to the magic of compound interest and the passage of time. Consistent saving and investing is just as important as setting aside money for an emergency fund. This may need the establishment of a system whereby funds are routinely transferred from one's main checking account to another, either a savings account with a high interest rate or a mutual fund. While for some, it may mean foregoing a manicure or a new video game in favor of putting more money into an interest-bearing savings account. For others, it may mean learning to live within one's means. 4. Keep an eye out for a chance to earn the most interest, discounts, free money offers. Those who want to amass vast fortunes should be ravenous for savings opportunities and the discovery of more economical and efficient alternatives. The capacity to earn and preserve more money than one spends is, after all, a basic characteristic of true wealth. Even when you pay over cash, there are always ways to arrange things such that you come out far worse off. Think about it. Why pay full price for those new clothes or shoes when you can get them online for less utilizing promo codes and cashback sites like Ebates or FatWallet? It makes sense to visit the shop in question or a nearby mall to get a feel for the goods, but then place your purchase from the comfort of your own home using your computer to take advantage of online coupons and discounts. Surely, for such non-essential things, you can patiently await a few days for delivery and processing. Even while a few hundred or even a few $1,000s saved over a number of years doesn't seem like much, it quickly becomes a significant sum. Most products, particularly electronics, can be purchased online at a much lower price these days. 5. Start your own small business. Being an entrepreneur and having one's own little company is a common trait among millionaires. Small companies, rather than inheritance, are the main sources of wealth in America nowadays. Many times, the risk and hard work put into beginning a company pay off well. The financial reward might be much higher than working for someone else for the rest of your life, despite the fact that the risks are substantial and the pressures of company management are frightening. The rewards of your effort do not genuinely belong to you when you work for someone else, since you are subject to their every command. You don't get much of the financial payoff since your hard work and skills go toward the profit of the firm, which is owned and managed by someone else. You and your partners take full responsibility for the risks and get the full rewards when you operate your own firm. Taking a calculated risk or making an initial financial commitment is usually necessary to become a self-made entrepreneur. The ability to discover better ways of doing things, nevertheless, may occasionally bring success to those who seek it. 6. Preserve a habit of saving and investing from a young age. If you want to start saving now, you should have started yesterday. Starting to save now is the second best moment. For people who want to amass vast fortunes in the future, there are two things they must do: improve their ability to earn money and discover more efficient methods to store it. Making savings a top priority and never letting it droop to the side is essential for those who want to amass great wealth. 7. Don't be afraid of credit. Instead, learn to responsibly manage your debt. Debt instruments, including both fixed-rate mortgages and variable-rate credit cards, need careful management if amassing wealth is your true goal. There is a strong correlation between the use of credit cards and mortgages, as well as high FICO ratings, and the wealth of millionaires. Establishing responsible credit habits early on, before negative ones take root, is crucial. As a general rule, most people's first experience with debt comes during their time as undergraduates, when they incur student loans or use student credit cards. Credit card temptations are widespread throughout adolescence, which may be a dangerous period for many young people. However, it is also a pivotal time when a person's fiscal responsibility towards debt and credit is planted. All adults and students, but notably those with millionaire aspirations, would do well to make it a practice to pay off their credit cards in full each month and refrain from carrying large interest charges. That's all for today. Now you know all the steps that will make you rich. Well, there are also many other steps that you need to follow. We will also bring a second part of this particular topic because these steps are still not enough. If you want that video to be uploaded soon, then make sure to add a comment below. If you want to know financial tips and tricks daily, just press the subscribe button. We regularly upload amazing financial videos. Press the like button also if you enjoyed watching this video and learned something new from this video. Make sure to share this video with all of your friends and family members for them to learn and improve financially. Start following these steps for now, and you will see a positive effect on your net worth. As we promised, we will make a second part if we receive some comments. We heard the interviews of famous millionaires and billionaires like Sir Warren Buffett, Robert Kiyosaki, Elon Musk, and many others, and then we got to know these 7 steps. We saw their life history and success story also. But one thing I got to know is that they frequently say people with low income could never get rich. Many millionaires say this, and it is a problem for almost 90% of Americans. But actually, you could get rich even on a low salary. We have made a specific video on this topic. You may click on the video appearing on the right side to watch it. Thank you.